If you want to create the Galaxy avatar on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Here in Settings we're gonna scroll down and we need to find Advanced Features. Over here in Advanced Features we should be able to find the Galaxy Avatar option. Of course, so you can grant permission for the Galaxy Avatar to be able to take pictures and record videos, and we need to also grant access to photos and videos on our phone. Then over here we can tap on this plus button to create a new avatar. Over here we have a couple of presets and you can just simply choose whichever you would like to use. You can also create an avatar using the camera, so you can probably take a picture of yourself and create an avatar based on that, or you can create an avatar based on an image. So in my case, I'm just gonna start with this preset and just tap on this check, and after a couple of seconds you should be able to customize the preset. You should be able to change clothes and change the appearance of that selected avatar. So there we go. As you can see here, for example, we can change the hair, its color, we can include a mustache or beard, and so on and so forth. As you can see, lots of different options to choose from. Besides that, if you go to style, then of course you should be able to find different clothes that you might want to use on your avatar. And once you are done with the customization, you can just simply tap on save here in the upper right corner, and there we go. If you want to, you can create another avatar. You just have to find this plus button, which I suppose is going to be on the left side. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.